Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of drones, and not just any drones, but the very best that DJI has to offer in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking for something light and easy to fly, a content creator who wants smooth cinematic shots, or even an adrenaline junkie ready for an FPV thrill, there's a DJI drone built just for you. In this video, I'll break down the top 6 best DJI drones of 2025, sharing their features, real-world pros and cons, and helping you figure out which one suits your needs best. Stick around until the end, because the last drone is unlike anything else on this list. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI RC 2. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a lightweight powerhouse. At just 249 grams, it falls under that magic FAA registration limit, which is a huge bonus for travelers and hobbyists. It has a 34-minute flight time, 20-kilometer video transmission distance, and advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing. In real-world use, this drone is perfect for people who want portability without sacrificing features. The camera shoots 4K video with excellent clarity, and the obstacle sensing system adds a much-needed safety net for beginners. Pros: extremely lightweight, easy to carry anywhere. Beginner-friendly controls. Long-range video transmission. Reliable safety features with obstacle sensing. If you're new to drones or travel a lot, the Mini 4 Pro is an ideal choice. It's easy to fly, safe, and delivers professional-level video without the bulk. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo. Now, let's step it up to something built for professionals. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is truly a filmmaker's dream. It features a 4/3 CMOS SSL camera, giving you cinematic image quality with beautiful color science. The Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, a charging hub, and the DJI RC Pro remote with a bright built-in screen, so you can see your shots even in direct sunlight. This drone is all about professional performance. With longer flight endurance and one of the best camera systems DJI has ever built into a drone, it's made for those who want to create content at the highest level. Pros: Hasselblad camera ensures stunning true-to-life images. Long battery life, extended with Fly More combo. Professional remote with high bright screen. FAA remote ID compliant. If you're serious about aerial photography or video production, the Mavic 3 Pro is one of the most powerful drones on the market. Number 3. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo. Next, we have the DJI Air 3, which strikes a balance between portability and professional power. It comes with dual primary cameras for different perspectives, 48MP photo capture, and with the Fly More combo, you get 3 batteries for extended flight sessions. In practice, the Air 3 is perfect for creators who need more versatility than the Mini series, but don't necessarily need the full cinematic power of the Mavic 3 Pro. The dual cameras are a big plus, allowing for wide and medium telephoto shots without changing drones. Pros: dual cameras for flexible shooting. High-resolution photography. Extended flight time with 3 batteries. Great performance for the price. If you're a content creator who wants a versatile drone that isn't overly large or expensive, the Air 3 is a sweet spot. Number 4. DJI Mini 4K. For those who want a budget-friendly option, the DJI Mini 4K is an excellent entry point. Weighing just 249 grams, it still captures 4K UHD video, offers a 31-minute flight time, and includes a 10-kilometer transmission range. This drone is ideal for beginners who want to try out drone flying without breaking the bank. It has basic intelligent flight features, auto-return, and decent wind resistance for its size. Pros: very affordable compared to other DJI drones. Lightweight and portable. Beginner-friendly controls. If you're just getting into drones and want something simple, affordable, and reliable, the Mini 4K is a great place to start. Number 5. DJI Mini 3, DJI RC. Next up, the DJI Mini 3. This drone sits between the budget Mini 4K and the more advanced Mini 4 Pro. It comes with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K video recording, and an impressive 38-minute maximum flight time. One standout feature is vertical shooting, which is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. For creators who prioritize social media content, this feature makes the Mini 3 especially appealing. Pros: long flight endurance up to 38 minutes. Vertical shooting mode for social platforms. Compact and lightweight. If you're a vlogger or social media creator, the Mini 3 gives you longer flights and vertical content capture in a portable package. Number 6. DJI FPV Combo, Goggles V2. Finally, we have something very different, the DJI FPV Combo. Unlike the other drones we've talked about, this one is built for immersive first-person flight. It comes with FPV Goggles V2, giving you a real pilot's eye view, plus a 4K camera, super wide 150 degrees field of view, and low latency video transmission. The FPV drone is designed for speed and adrenaline. It's not about cinematic footage or portability, it's about the immersive experience. If you've ever wanted to feel like you're inside the drone, zipping through the sky, this is the one. Pros: incredible immersive experience. Wide field of view for exciting footage. Low latency, responsive flying. Thrilling speed. For thrill seekers and racing enthusiasts, the DJI FPV Combo is in a category of its own. So, those are the top 6 best DJI drones in 2025. From the ultra-lightweight Mini 4 Pro to the professional-grade Mavic 3 Pro to the high-speed FPV Combo, DJI continues to set the standard in drone technology. If you're just starting out, the Mini 4K or Mini 3 might be the best fit. If you're serious about content creation, the Air 3 or Mini 4 Pro are excellent options. And if you want the ultimate professional setup, the Mavic 3 Pro is unmatched. But for those who want pure excitement, nothing beats the DJI FPV Combo.